Hello lovely viewer. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to pique your interest. We're diving into the incredible world of ginger and uncovering 5 amazing benefits it offers for individuals after the age of 50. So, if you're ready to learn how this simple root can bring a world of goodness into your life, let's get started. 1. Digestive delight. First up, let's talk about digestion. As we age, our digestive system might need a little extra love. Ginger comes to the rescue with its fantastic digestive benefits. It helps stimulate the production of enzymes, making digestion smoother and easing discomfort like bloating and gas. Plus, it aids in nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the goodness it deserves. 2. Inflammation buster. Now, who's ready to say goodbye to inflammation? Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. This means it can help ease those achy joints and muscles that sometimes come with age. By incorporating ginger into your routine, you could potentially experience reduced inflammation and enjoy more pain-free days. 3. Heart health haven. Our hearts deserve all the care they can get, especially as we age. Ginger steps in as a heart health hero. It's been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even prevent the formation of blood clots. With these benefits, ginger becomes a tasty way to support your cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. 4. Cognitive comfort. Now, let's talk about the brain. Ginger might just be the brain's best friend. With its antioxidants, ginger could play a role in maintaining cognitive function as we age. While more research is needed in this area, it's exciting to think that this simple spice might have a positive impact on our brain health. 5. How to incorporate ginger. You're probably wondering, how do I get all these amazing benefits from ginger? Well, fret not. Incorporating ginger into your routine is super easy. You can add it to your meals as a spice, brew it into a soothing tea, or even blend it into smoothies for a zesty kick. Just remember, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. And there you have it, folks. The unimaginable benefits of ginger for individuals after the age of 50. From aiding digestion to supporting heart health and potentially boosting cognitive function, ginger truly is a powerhouse of goodness. So, why not give it a try and see how it can enhance your well-being? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and as always, take care of yourselves.